I want to talk about using the intersect, the union, and the except constructs in SQL to do set processing. So just a quick review from math class, you might remember. When you talked about sets, you talked about, they showed you these groups that are in these circles. So basically what we're talking about when we're trying to compare sets is what is the intersection, which is this area. So we've got the green circle and the red circle. This area in here is the intersection between the two circles, the green and the red circles. Now we're talking about union. We're talking about all the area within the two circles, whether it's in the overlap or not. So the union is everything here that's within the circles. And then when we talk about exclusivity, we're talking about what's in the green circle that's not in the red, which is this area out here. And what's in the red circle that's not in the green, which is this area out here. So an important detail when you're doing set-based processing in SQL is the column list that exists in each set need to be exact, right? So you have to select the same columns and they need to be the same data type. If either of those things are not true, it will fail. So SQL requires that. The databases are going to require that you've got an exact set of columns that are being compared between the two result sets. So let's look at an intersect. So the syntax for an intersect would be you select ID and name. These are just two columns from table 1. And then we're going to select ID and name from table 2. Now, these don't need to be the same name exactly that exist in these two tables. They could be different column names. It's just that they have to have the same exact data type in the sequence. Okay, so when we're doing the intersection, again, we're going to get this area here that's common between these two result sets. So that's what intersect looks like in SQL. Now let's look at union. So union is, again, we need to select the same exact column values from each table. So they have to have the same data types and they be in the same sequence from table 1 and then from table 2. So this is going to yield this complete filled structure between the two circles. Everything that's within the two circles, whether it overlaps or not. Okay. One thing you can add in SQL is the all to the union. And union all just means that it's going to go, it doesn't have to go to the result set multiple times. So union is going to go and get a distinct listing, and union all will just get everything and it won't do that extra pass. Now we'll talk about except. So except, again, this is going to show what's in one set and not in the other. So table 1, let's say that the red circle represents table 1. So if we did select ID name from table 1, except ID name from table 2, that's going to give us this shaded set right here. Okay. Now, if you wanted to do the opposite and get everything that's in table 2, you would just flip these around and you would put table 2 up here at the top and then table 1 down here. That's all I have for today. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please pass them along. You guys have the best questions that result in the best videos. So I'm always looking to you for new questions and new content to deliver. So if you got anything out of this video, I hope you consider subscribing to the channel and like and comment. Put your comments below, your questions. Thanks. Bye.